Right now, you are sitting on knowledge that could literally change someone's life. Maybe it's trading, maybe it's fitness, maybe it's photography. It really does not matter, because whatever skill you have, someone out there desperately needs your help, and you're keeping it to yourself, which, to be honest, is kind of selfish. Now, let me be direct about what you're actually missing, because you are missing out on life-changing connections, because there are people out there who need exactly what you know, right? Whatever knowledge you have right now, there are people out there who will literally die for that sort of information, and they're looking for someone to learn from, someone relatable, and that right there is you, because they'll never find you if you don't post content. Another massive benefit is growth, right? There's an old saying that you don't understand something until you can teach someone else and that they can understand it, because when you teach someone something, you master it twice, right? Because it pushes you and forces you to organize your thinking, sharpen your process, and get better at what you do. And staying silent means you just stay stuck. And most importantly, you can make a life-changing impact on someone's life, because there's someone out there who's about to give up, make a costly mistake, and waste years on something that you've already figured out, and you could be the reason they don't. You could be the reason they change their life. Now, I know you're like, oh, Atif, that sounds great, but I've got all these excuses, and you're probably thinking, oh, well, I'm not an expert, Atif, so I can't be posting content. The reality is, you don't need to be, right? People want to learn from someone who's 2 steps ahead of them, not 200 steps, right? Because at that point, you're more relatable to them, and that's your strength, right? The strength is you're not some expert who's got 20 years of experience. You're just a guy who's a few steps ahead, and then you can help out those who are just a few steps behind. And you're also probably thinking, oh, Atif, that sounds cool. I'd love to post content, but there's so many people out there doing it. Why should I do it? Why would anyone listen to me? Listen, people posting content and there being lots of people making content, that's good. That means there's demand for whatever it is that you want to talk about. There are millions of people out there who want to learn, and they don't all want the same teacher. Some people want you with your life experience, with your accent, with your looks. They want you to teach them. So remove that limiting belief. There are people out there who genuinely want to learn from someone just like you. And you might also be thinking, oh, Atif, I don't know what to post, man. I don't know what to post. But look, the reality is you're overthinking it, because just share whatever you've learned this week, right? Just show one thing that you've learned this week. Talk about a mistake, and that's real content. That's valuable. People are going to start gravitating towards you. Go on my, go on my YouTube channel. Go on Oldest. Go look at those videos. Does that look like a guy who's got like some, grand strategy? I was just like, I don't know. I'm just going to post content and try and help people. And then look where I am now, right? So, and I had all these limiting beliefs, right? So I don't think I'm having a go at you. I'm just genuinely trying to help you. And, you're probably also thinking, oh, Atif, what if I'm wrong publicly, right? What if I say something stupid? Well, then look, listen, the reality is you will learn publicly, and everyone watching you will learn with you and grow with you. And that is way more valuable than you just being in private, door shut, not speaking to anyone, and nobody knows you exist. Because the harsh reality is, every excuse you have is just fear with better branding. And this is what most people get wrong about content. They think it's about views, money, followers, clout. It's not, right? It's about helping the person who needed to hear exactly what you said at exactly the right time. It's about the person who was about to quit, but your post gave them that one more reason to keep going. It's about the person who was stuck for years, and your explanation finally made things click for them. And it's also about the person who felt just alone, right? Like, your story can help out so many people. I've made tweets on this, right, where I talk about my life story and stuff, and the amount of people who can resonate with it is insane, right? You have no idea. I'm only 24, by the way. You have no idea like how much your life experience can help people, and it's a truly beautiful thing. And that's why you should post, right? Not for algorithm, not for money, not for views, not for clout. You can get all of them, but the reality is you're there to help people, right? And when you help people, when you genuinely help people, everything else follows. Now, you might be thinking, oh, Atif, that sounds great. I actually want to start posting content. First of all, congratulations. But you're probably thinking, oh, where do I even begin? What platform do I use? All that good stuff. I'm a big believer. I know this is a YouTube video, but I'm a big believer on starting on X or Twitter. I'll put on both profiles. So I'll put my YouTube account and my X profile. You can see the difference. I started at exactly the same time, so September 2024, and you can see the difference on X. The reality is, posting a tweet, anybody can do that, right? Recording a video, obviously there's a lot more that goes on into it, but anyone can post a tweet, right? So and this is a challenge to you. Get your phone up right now, go on X, go on Twitter, download the app if you don't have it, and just post a content, something valuable, something that you've learned today, right? Just post that and just see what happens, right? There might be like one person who likes it. And I remember when I first posted a tweet and one person liked it, I was so buzzing. I couldn't, I'm more happy then than I was now, right? It's crazy because you get used to it, but just post a piece of content on X, and it could genuinely change your life. Now, I know there's some of you out there watching you've already started posting content, you've got a few hundred followers, you really want to grow and like build a personal brand. If that sounds like you, go check out the pinned comment down below. I've actually built this new program where I want to work closely, literally like really closely with just a few creators. Because I'm telling you, the moment you post that first piece of content, something will shift inside your mind, right? You're no longer consuming content, you're actually contributing, and you're part of the conversation, and people will respond. Someone will DM you because what you said resonated with them. You have a conversation, that conversation becomes a connection. Someone tries what you suggested and it works for them, and they're super grateful, and they share it with everyone else, and like, oh my god, Atif, or this guy's so good, right? This tweet completely changed my life. I get that all the time, which is kind of crazy, right? And also, you'll get some person who disagrees with you respectively. It shows you a different perspective, and you both learn something, which is a beautiful thing. And this is the network effect working for you. One post leads to another connection. One connection leads to an opportunity. Opportunity changes your entire life. That's just how these things work. But it all begins with that first post that you're probably too scared to make, and that's why I made the challenge before, and I'm gonna make it again. Get your phone out right now, go on X, go on Twitter, and just post anything of value that you can think of. Anything, literally anything, just make a tweet. And here's the part that changes everything. Your skills don't compound unless you actually share them, because you can be the best trader, the best designer, the best whatever in the world, but if nobody knows who you exist, it doesn't matter, right? Because the knowledge is gonna die with you. But content lives forever, and it works forever. A video you posted now, like today, could help someone in 2030. An article that you wrote this week could help someone next year, and every piece of content that you make is a seed that you plant for your future. Now, some won't grow, most won't grow, some will grow slowly, and some will absolutely explode into something you could never imagine and completely change your life forever. But you have to plant them first, and the best time to do it was 2 years ago. Second best time is today. It will always exist. Now, you don't need to be an expert, you just need to help people, right? You genuinely just need to help people, and when you get that lens off and you focus on helping people, everything changes. Just share your process, how you do what you do, the behind the scenes. People love seeing how things actually work, and that applies to you whether you trade, cook, design, build, or whatever else you do. Share your mistakes, share what went wrong, share what you learned. Failure is more relatable than success. Everyone makes mistakes, so make sure you show people your mistakes that you made. And don't forget to share observations, right? Little things that you've noticed that others might have missed. Small insights can be a huge breakthrough for someone else. Like, I write a little tweet that takes 10 seconds, and I get DMs people saying, oh my god, that changed my life. Like, that could be you, right? Stuff that you think isn't important at all, for other people that completely changes their lives. And let me be clear, right? This applies to everything that you do. So whether you're learning to trade, share your journey. You don't have to be profitable, just share your journey, because you could be a break-even trader, and if there's an unprofitable trader, it sounds crazy, but an unprofitable trader wants to get to break even, right? And obviously, let's say a profitable trader who's making 10K a month, he wants to get to 100K a month, he wants to learn from the guy who's making 100K a month, and the guy who's making 100K a month wants to learn from the guy who's making $1 million a month, right? There's always someone who's behind you who wants to learn from you. So share what's working, share what's not, and share what you're figuring out. Because whatever your thing is, there's someone out there who wants to learn, and you're the perfect person to teach them, because you remember what it was like not to know. And that empathy, that relatability is your superpower. Okay, so if you watched this far, congratulations, you've done better than 90% of people, but it's not done yet, right? You're gonna go on X, if you haven't already, get X up, write a tweet, post something, make a mistake, a lesson, whatever it is, just post something, anything that could help someone. And then for this month, just keep doing it. Every single day, just post one tweet, ideally a few tweets, but just post one tweet every single day for 30 days. In fact, my best friend saw my X account, and obviously we speak all the time, right? He's like, let me start posting content. I think in less than a month, he was already on 100 followers, which is kind of cool, right? Like 112 followers. And he's into like programming stuff, which is crazy, right? So if he could do it, and he's busy, right? This guy's busy. So if he could do it, you sure as hell can do it. And that's it. You're not trying to become famous. You're trying to help real people and build genuine connections. And when you help people, everything else takes care of itself. And if you want to learn how to grow an X step by step, go check out this video where I show you how I went from 0 to 10K followers. And I'll be honest, your boy grows very fast on X. So go check out that video on screen now. And again, if you're already a few steps ahead, you've got your own personal brand, and you really want to look to scale that personal brand, go check out the pinned comment down below.